Guys, we caught a lot of magma blocks from bunker. So this is we got 4 bags each. We got
Yep, 4 bags each. Alright.
each one of you take one.
Take one?
But I can't grab it. Like, it has nothing in this bag. You took my. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, this one's full. I'm coming.
Oh, I don't have anything on my back. What the?
Bro.
And I thought I weighed a lot, bro.
What's that?
Put him in there. I'll put him in from the top. Don't sell it. I heard one of you guys sell it. Wait, what? I heard one of you guys sell it.
That was me on accident. Oh,
Don't like
just
no
don't press it again.
Alright, I'm gonna get off my bags. Come over here. I'm gonna get off my bags now.
Alright, snatched. We just need to do this quick. And easy. Silly up here. Oh my god.
There's so many. There's so many.
Last pour. Come on, let's go.
Wait, there's more. There's no more.
Holy crap! Oh my god!
Oh my god,
Can we
Wait,
sell
check
it?
if
Sell
the-
it, sell it.
Why is this bag
So-
weigh so much, but there's nothing in it?
What the?
Yo.
Alright, let's sell it. Let's sell it.
Wait. Okay. Yeah.
Sell it with me, guys.
Wait. Don't sell it. Some of them got out.
Come on, sell it. Bro, we're just gonna sell Dre with it too.
Alright.
Alright, 3,
2, 1, go!
2.
Yes!
I'm being sold, guys.
Wait,
oh,
what?
It's this one. Yo, me sold. How much money? How much money, please? Please. Oh my god!
$106,000.
Oh my
Yo.
god! Yo!
Nah.
I can't
Dang.
believe these numbers, bro. I can't even count up to that if I really wanted to.
Oh, I could get
Yo.
this, but I'm not gonna. Oh.
You should not
Dang,
buy
that
the
costs
slots.
a lot of money.
They're-
100,000?
Yeah, they got the pricing so wrong, bro.
I know. What is this gonna cost? $1 million?
It's so much. Yes, probably like 500k, bro. Take all the revolvers. I don't need them. Actually, wait, sell them. All right.
Wait, can we just sell the bags also?
So bye, guys.
Alright.